Mastering basic analytics reports involves transforming raw data into visual stories. This process requires selecting reliable data sources, identifying meaningful metrics, and employing effective visualization techniques. These elements are crucial for crafting reports that not only inform, but also drive strategic business decisions and deliver actionable insights. Analytics reporting converts raw data into insights that drive strategic decisions and assess performance. Key components include reliable data sources, meaningful metrics, and effective visualization. The creation process involves extracting data, analyzing trends, visualizing insights, and sharing results with stakeholders. Understanding your reporting context is crucial. Define your audience. Technical teams need detailed metrics, while executives prefer high-level summaries. Identify key questions like performance trends and resource focus. For instance, a salary trends dashboard for data scientists offers detailed breakdowns, whereas a chief executive officer summary highlights average salaries and growth percentages. Bar charts are ideal for comparing categorical data, like sales by region. Line charts effectively display trends over time, such as revenue growth. Use stacked bar charts to show composition, while clustered bars allow side-by-side category comparisons. Prioritize simplicity by avoiding decorative elements that distract from the data's core message. Connect to databases using SQL or application programming interfaces, like GitHub's REST application programming interface, to retrieve datasets. Write queries to fetch specific data subsets, filtering by date or category. For large datasets, use pagination and aggregation to manage data efficiently. Example: select region, sum, sales. From sales data, where date greater than or equal to 2024-01-01, group by region, order by total, sales desk. This Python script demonstrates fetching data from GitHub's REST API. Use personal access tokens for secure authentication. Parse JSON responses to extract commit messages, author info, and timestamps. The script fetches commits using requests, displaying key details for analysis. This showcases practical data extraction techniques for real-world applications. Power BI provides a drag-and-drop interface with extensive data connectors and advanced analytics. Tableau excels in creating stunning interactive dashboards with an intuitive design. Quarto combines Markdown, Python, and R for reproducible, publication-quality documents. Axinator allows graphical report creation by dragging fields to a chart canvas, eliminating coding needs. Creating interactive dashboards involves dynamic filtering, allowing users to slice data by date, category, or region in real time. Drill-down functionality lets users explore detailed data from summary metrics. Real-time updates ensure dashboards refresh automatically with new data. Cross-filtering updates related visualizations when data is selected in one chart. Quarto combines Markdown and Python for interactive HTML reports. Advanced calculations and scripting allow for running totals, moving averages, and complex percentage calculations. Conditional formatting dynamically highlights outliers and key data points. Transform static charts into intelligent visualizations for deeper insights. For example, QlikSense's range sum function calculates a running total of sales across chart rows. Automating report generation involves scheduling scripts to refresh data automatically, using Python to render reports in PDF format, and distributing them via email or shared dashboards. This ensures consistent, up-to-date insights, eliminates manual tasks, reduces errors, and scales reporting efficiently across projects. Focus on key insights by eliminating unnecessary metrics. Ensure visual consistency with uniform color schemes and fonts. Craft a compelling data story using clear titles and annotations. Highlight primary data by graying out secondary lines to direct attention effectively. In this real-world example, we integrate ServiceNow to generate line charts comparing incident trends over time. By visualizing open versus closed cases, we uncover resolution patterns and identify bottlenecks in incident management. The script processes incident data from the last 90 days, categorizing them by month to display trends effectively. Validate data sources and connection strings to address missing or incorrect data. Use default values to prevent report failures. For chart rendering issues, verify file paths, permissions, and library compatibility. Implement logging for script debugging and test incrementally. Ensure color codes meet accessibility standards and verify dataset merges align correctly to avoid mismatches. Start with clear goals by understanding your audience and defining key questions. Choose visualizations wisely. Bar charts for comparisons, line charts for trends. Leverage scripting for advanced calculations and automate report generation. Test with real data, iterating based on feedback to ensure accuracy and relevance for stakeholders. Explore sample resources like scripts and dashboards to kickstart your learning. Experiment with tools such as Quarto, Power BI Desktop, or Tableau Public for hands-on practice. Engage with online forums and user groups for support and inspiration. Transform data into compelling stories that drive impactful business decisions.